What's going on, guys? It's Smasher XD. I'm back with another awesome video for you guys. I'm really sorry, guys, for not recording this past week, but before we get into the real intro, guys, I just want to tell you guys that I wasn't able to record this week. If you guys don't know why, if you guys haven't seen my last video from last weekend, go check that out right now, and it'll explain why. But, guys, before we get into the real intro, I just want to say, guys, I'm really sorry I haven't been able to record this past week. I did say last weekend I would be back, but I'm back right here, right now. Now, guys, before we get into the video, guys, a few days ago, during my break, I was able to play some Super Mario Galaxy, guys, and it turns out the game is actually pretty fun, and I really like it, but I wasn't going to record it today, but I figured that I would have to, look over my phone, how to play it and stuff like that, because it's been a while since I played the game, so I don't think I'm going to record that just yet, but maybe in the distant future I will, with more welding videos and stuff. But anyways, guys, also, guys, for the next week when I'm working and stuff like that, I have some YouTube short videos with welding coming, and I have a new Lego set that I'm working on, and I'm going to post on the channel very, very soon, maybe next week or the week after or something, before, the holidays are coming around the corner and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, let's get right into the video for the real intro. What's going on, guys? Smasher XD here, and welcome back to another awesome video, bros. So today, guys, we are back in the Etsy universe once again. Guys, I'm really sorry. It's been a week, but hey, I'm back for another awesome video. This past week has been a busy week. I did say last weekend I wouldn't be able to record this past week, but hey, I did say I'll see you guys next weekend, so here we are, guys. So today, guys, we are back in another Super Smash Bros. Video once again, and this time, guys, we're going to be doing the Street Fighters Mii Brawlers Challenge, because in the last video, they kind of lost, so let's see if they can win. And then, guys, we're going to do some epic Christmas battles in the new Christmas World arena I just made. I'm going to show you guys right now, so let's get right into the video. Okay, guys, so I'll be right back to get it ready. Alright, guys, first up is Ryu of the Street Fighter, so here we go. Let's do this thing. Here we go. Alright, and if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on those awesome notifications if you haven't already. Become a member of the Etsy universe today. We're on the road right now to 900 subscribers. So let's do this thing. Oh, hoo-hoo, Ryu starting off awesome. Here we go. Shoryuken! Oh, a double? That was awesome, Ryu. There you go. Kicking off the holiday spirit today, Ryu. Shoryuken. Shoryuken. Oh, no, you don't. You got... Okay. The moment I start saying you're not going to hit me, they hit me. Perfect. Now this time, let's make sure we don't die this time, because Ryu got all the way to the end and lost to whoever it was. I think it was Zero Suit Samus. I don't know. Last weekend. I forgot who the last character was in the last video, guys, but let's just hope it doesn't happen again. Oh, get out of here, Shulk or Cloud. I always get their names mixed up every time. Hey, stop attacking me. I do the attacking. I'm the Street Fighter here. Ugh. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. No, no. There we go. Alright, here we go. Here we go. And... get blown up! Oh, yeah! That's how XD does it! Oh, ow! Hey! Ow! Here we go. Shoryuken. That's what I'm talking about, Ryu! Alright, get the fire weapon. Oh, no, you don't. You were about to attack me? I don't think so, buddy. Oh, Sonic? Alright, Sonic. Yeah, I want to fight. But you ain't gonna get a chance. he calls himself the fastest hedgehog, but he wasn't fast enough to dodge my weapon. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Oh! Alright, Mii Brawlers. Here's the thing. You mind your business and I'll mind mine, okay? You feel me? Dude, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, if I would have died, I would have been so mad. We are not having a repeat for what happened to Ryu last video. He is gonna win. Oh my gosh, these Mii Gunners, they're so annoying. Get out. 3 Shoryukens, let's go. Oh, geez. Not him. Oh gosh, no, no. No! Oh my gosh, my health is at 90. How did I miss? Okay, you know what? I got something for you. Oh my gosh, no. Come on. Get it? What? Are serious? I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. So, turns out Ryu lost, so we gotta retry that again. Here we go. Let's try this again, guys. And sorry I paused. I had to take care of something. Alright, here we go. Alright, come on, Ryu. Yeah, that's what's up. Oh my gosh, come on, Ryu. There you go. That's how XD does it. Alright, here we go. Okay. No. Alright, here we go. Alright, there we go. That's what's up. That's how XD does it. Get out. Alright. Alright, get the power weapon. And this time, when Mark comes back, he's in for a fight. Alright, let me get the power weapon. If Ryu would get it, there we go. Alright, here we go. That's what's up. Yeah, this power weapon works well. Shout out to Mario for this awesome weapon. Alright, here we go. Boom. There we go. That's what's up. That's how SD does it. Get out. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's what's up. There we go. Get out of here. Alright. Alright, Sonic. When you come back, get off me. Hey, stop it. No. Get out. Oh. Yeah, sure, you can use Sonic. Get out of here. That's how XD does it. Oof. Ow. Okay. Oh, ow. Stop it. Hey. Mind your business. Oh, shoot, do not. Don't you dare touch that. Oh my gosh, I can't get to it. Oh my gosh, yep, I won't be able to get to it. Dang it. It's okay. Still doing well. Get out. Not this time, Marth. Alright, 16 more bros. I can seriously win this right now. Here we go. This is how XD does it. Oh. No. No. Shadow time! Oh yeah, that's how XD does it. Let's go, Ryu! That's how XD does it. You guys are gonna keep my voice down a little because I've been yelling a lot in this video and stuff, so yeah. Alright, anyways, Ryu has done it, bros. Let's go. Defeated 100 enemies. Alright, guys, I'll be right back to get the next one. Alright, guys, next up is Ken. Let's do this. Here we go. Oh, let me turn on the volume. Oh, down a little bit. There we go. Alright, here we go. Off. What? Get off me. Oh, after the sign, let's go. You better not die, Ken. Don't you Alright, me gunner. You know what? Get out. You are driving me nuts. You're driving me crazy. Oh my god, somebody died. Nope. Alright, there we go. Oh, sword punch. Get off me and mind your business. These guys are driving me crazy. Oh, get out of here. That's how SD does. Oh, Jason, what a kick in midair. Oh, Zelda, get out. Not a chance, Zelda. Oh, I forgot she didn't teleport. Get out. Sorry, Zelda. Had to be done. Oh. Stop it. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that was awesome. There we go. Oh, dang, Ken is awesome in this game. Oh yeah, these sword fighters just do let a fire weapon. Okay. Ken, would you stop going near the edge? You are literally going to die. There we go. Now get the fire weapon. Jeez. Alright, at the end was Richard. What's gonna be for Ken? Simon gonna come in? That'll be really cool. Oh, we got Mewtwo. Not a chance. Get out of here, Mewtwo. Go back to Pokemon World and fight Pikachu if you want. Pika, Pika. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's what's up. Alright, Ken. You're doing very well, buddy. You got this. Alright, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. No. Get off me. There we go, that's what's up. Get out of here, stupid knee rollers. Get out of here, Rosalina and Luma. I just defeated 2 princesses. Awesome. Mario and Zelda ain't gonna be happy about this. Alright, here we go. Oh, whoa. Hey, don't you grab that weapon. Don't you touch that weapon. That's mine. It's like Batman all of a sudden. Alright, here we go. Come on, Ken, you got this, buddy. Six left. Oh. Oh my gosh, no, Dr. Mario, please chill. No. Yeah. Yes, sir, that's what I'm talking about. That's how XD does it! Let's go, Ken. The Street Fighters get their victory. Let's go, bros. Let's go. Okay. Alright, guys, I'll be right back to get the Christmas battles ready. Alright, guys, so for this Christmas battle, we're gonna have the 4 members of the Welding fam first. Smash XD, Golden Wolf Boy 454, Silver Falcon, and Dark Ninja teaming up against Dark XD and his 3 mystery partners. Alright, let me just make sure, double check this is good. And, yup. And at the end, we'll have Smash XD and the Flames Destruction, and then we'll have another match and then one more awesome main event. So, here we go. Let's do this thing. Here we go. Alright, make sure everything's good. And CPUs. Yep, okay, here we go. Let's do this thing. Alright, question is, though, who will Dark XD's opponents be? Alright, who's it gonna be? Mars, the Ice Climbers, and Sheik. Okay, let's do this thing. Alright, team. Attack! Oof. Oh. Hey, Dark XD is out of here. Ha ha. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, I just blew up myself. What the heck was that? Oh, what a kick to Sheik. Wait, where am I? I don't see myself. There we go. I don't think so, buddy. Oh. Get out of here. Wow. Get out of here, Dark XD. Oh yeah, Dark XD wants a piece of me. He wants revenge for all the times I beat him. What was that? Did I just do that to Dark XD? Okay. Oh, Ice Climbers, you want to chill out, buddy? My goodness. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's get this. Time to pull these guys. Oh, okay, I missed. Dang it. That's what I'm talking about, bros. Chill on your blow. Yeah. Wait, who got it? Did, okay, I think our team got it. Take care of it, Dart Ninja. Yes, sir, Dart Ninja. Take him down. Off. Alright, Dark XD. Yeah, come here. Guess what? You're eliminated. Bye. Bye. That's what you get, dude, for eliminating me. Getting on my dang nerves. Oh. That was close. Did we win? Did we win? Let's go! The Welding fam won for the holidays. Let's go! That's how XD does it. Saving that battle. Let's go. These battles are going pretty good so far. Alright guys, I'll be right back to get the next one. Alright guys, next up is the Flames of Destruction. Smasher XD, Silver Falcon, Tiger Shark, and Dart Ninja teaming up against Dark XD and his 3 new mystery partners. So let's do this thing. Here we go. Here we go. Who's his mystery partners? Roy, Incineroar, and Lucario. Okay, this match is gonna be good. Here we go. Fight. Dang, I don't even know what's happening. Okay, that's it. Oh, I missed. Dang it. Get out. Wow. Oof. Ow. Dang it. Alright, here we go. Oh, I got eliminated again. Dang it. Okay, I gotta be careful. Alright, where am I? I really don't see myself. There we go. Alright, there I am. Sorry. My goodness. Get out of here! Goodbye, Lucario. That's how SD does it! Oh, dang, Lucario, what was that? Lucario got me good. That's a little payback for him. And guess what? This is payback for... Oh, Dr. Willy? Oh, we got Dr. Willy on our side. Let's go. Dr. Willy wanted to... Hey, Dark XD, get off me. Please, this is what you get, Dark XD. And Lucario, get out. Wait, Lunar Moon? Oh jeez, this is gonna be wild. Where'd I go? Oh, I'm right here, okay. Did we win? Oh, nope. They won. Alright. I'll give it to them. That was a great match. You know what, Dark XD, you deserve that win. That was good, but we're getting a rematch. I'll save the battle, but we're getting a rematch. We're getting a rematch, bros. This is not how it's supposed to go. This is not how XD does it. I want to fight. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see who Dark XD's new partners are going to be. Because these guys destroyed us. He got some pretty good partners on his side. Alright, let's get this rematch. Let's see who his new partners are going to be. Diddy Kong, Little Mac, and Captain Falcon. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can beat these guys. Alright, here we go. Oh, get off me, Little Mac. Oh. Oh, dang! Whoever just hit me got me good. That was... Ah. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Okay, I didn't just knock Dark XD into the fire. That was pretty cool. Alright. Here we go. Ugh. Take that, Little Mac. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Where am I? I don't see myself. There we go. Oh. Oh my gosh, Captain Falcon knocked me off again. Oh, yes. Everyone just mind your own business. I'm just gonna take this with me. Hey! Diddy Kong! Get off me! No! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Yes! Blow him up, Tiger Shark! Oh, okay, never mind, just throw the weapon off. Okay. Oh. Dark XD laying out the traps for me. Ow! Dang it! Oh my god, no! Oh, okay, dang it, I got blown up bad. Oh, what a kick. Okay, please tell me we won. Did we win this time? Please, please. What? We lost again? Dang, Dark XD is destroying us. Oh my goodness, alright, I'll save the battle again. You know what? This is not funny. This is not funny, bros. This is not... I wanna fight, bro. Oh my goodness. That sucks. Alright. We're getting a rematch, guys. I don't care how many times he's gonna beat us, we're getting this rematch. Alright, here we go. Let's try this again. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, Dark FC, who are your new opponents? I mean, not opponents, new teammates gonna be? Alright, who's it gonna be? Pac-Man, Villager, and Jigglypuff. Okay. Let's see if we can win this one. Here we go. We got Pac-Man and Jigglypuff from Pokemon, and Villager from, I forgot the name, dang it. Alright, here we go. Oh, jeez. Alright, Pac-Man, come on, what up? Oh my goodness, jeez Louise, guys. Guys, I did not mean to do that. I want to restart this because I wasn't ready for it yet. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're gonna try this again. I wasn't ready that time, so I made a mistake by accident, and we're gonna try this again. So, here we go. Who will sorry, I can't speak. Who will Dark XD's new teammates be? Here we go. Here we go. And his teammates are gonna be Dark Pit, Mega Man, and Dr. Mario. Okay, okay. Let's do this. Oh. Off. Oh shoot, yep, send in the dragon, people! Send in the dragon! Rakdos comes in for the fight. Oh. Oh. Oh, really? I got eliminated? I hit him first. What do you, don't do that to me. What? Oh, dang. Okay, I gotta be careful. Wait, who got it? Solar Falcon, please use it. We need this win, buddy. Please. Yes! Take Dark XD out. Get out of here, Dr. Mario. That's what you get. Oh! I seriously... Wait, where am I? Oh, there I am. Okay. Alright, I don't know what this thing is, but at least we got... Oh, Mega Man, you wanna fight? Get out of here. Mega Man, you're one of my favorite characters, but our team has to win. That's what I'm talking about, Tiger Shark. Team up with your bro. Yeah. Get out. Oh. Oh. Oh, heck. Please stop not in the way. Get out of here, Dr. Mario. That's what you get. Take that kick. Oof. Oof. Oh, no. I can't get eliminated yet. Oh. Oh shoot, the Legends, Mega Man! Oh! No. Oh my god, oh jeez! Please tell me we won, please tell me we won, please! Yes! We won, let's go! That's how XD does it! Dang, that was an epic battle, bros! That was awesome, we won for the holidays, let's go! I'm saving this battle, yes sir! Yes sir! That's what I'm talking about! Alright guys, I'll be right back to get the main event match ready, and I have a main event one-on-one match I want to do. I'll be right back. Alright guys, in the next in our main event Christmas match, it'll be the Mario Brothers, Mario, Luigi, Yoshi, and Donkey Kong versus Bowser and his mystery partners. So here we go. Let's do this thing. Here we go. Now, who will Bowser's mystery partners be? Here we go. Who's it gonna be? King K. Rool, Young Link, and Almar. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. And Donkey Kong has a lot of history with King K. Rool, so this is gonna be a great match. And Young Link, let's go Young Link. Let's go Almar. Ooh. Ooh. Nice, DK, that's what's up. Oh shoot, we're invisible. I don't see myself. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Don't stop. What that? What? Where am I? No, stop it. Oh, and I got eliminated. Dang it. I don't even know who I got eliminated by because it was invisible. Oh. Dang, that was like a double shot. That's what's up, Mario. That's how SD does it. Activate firepower! Get out of here, Young Link. Yep, Young Link is out. Come on, King K, what's up? Oh, yeah, I want to fight. Oh. Oh man, Bowser blocked my drop kick. Oh jeez. Activate DK! That's what I'm talking about, DK. My team is rolling right now. Get out of here, King K. Drop kick. Oh! I don't think so, buddy. Oh, Young Link, you want to relax? No! Don't you dare touch that. Oh, jeez, he touched it. Dang it! Oh, dang it, he got a point. He's putting me in slow motion. I was supposed to do that for my team. Alright, here we go. Oh, okay, did we win? Did we win? Let's go! In the main event, our team won. Let's go! That's how SD does it. Let's go. Alright guys, I have one more one-on-one match, and it's gonna be in our main event. I'll be right back. Alright guys, at our main event fight, it's gonna be Smasher SD versus Dark SD in a Christmas fight battle. To see if Smasher SD can save Christmas from Dark SD. And it's gonna be at level 9 in the Christmas world. So, here we go. Let's do this thing. Here we go. Here we go. The epic fight. Here we go. I'm waiting for this day. Oh my, okay. I don't think so. What, you want to start off like that? I don't think so. Oh no, you missed big time, buddy. Alright, come on up. Are you too scared? Come on up. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna come down here. Get out. Oh no, you don't. Come on, Dark SD. Come on. I thought you were better than this, huh? Oh. Jump. Oh, oh, what the heck did I just do? How did I block? Oh no, you don't. That's mine. Don't touch that. Dang it. Oh. Yeah. Hey. Oh my. Oh no, you don't. That smash ball is mine, and I'm about to use it on you right now. Get out of here. Oh. That's 1 point. Oh, hey! Hey! Now he just wants to fight me over the pieces. Oh, dang, Dark and Steve, very good. Wow, this man really upset that I eliminated him. Oh, he's not gonna get that piece. That piece is mine, buddy. Come on, what up? Yeah, I just stopped you from the. Oh, and you missed. You missed the drop kick big time, buddy. And I'm about to drop kick you. Oh, jeez. No. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I missed. No. Oh, jeez. And yeah, I get it. It's okay. We're equal now. It's fine. Oh, don't you do that. No. That piece is mine. Don't you touch that. Oh. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Oh, yeah, get this. Oh, activate. Oh. Shout out to Mario for doing this. Oh, never mind. Okay, maybe I shouldn't do that. I'm just gonna throw that off because I'm gonna die pretty soon. I gotta get away from this guy. No. Leave me alone. Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna keep dodging him. So all my life goes down. Yeah, you can't hit me, huh? I'm the blood shark. I got shark reflexes, buddy. Yeah. Come on. What up? What up, huh? Oh. Oh. That's how Ashley does it. Oh. Okay. No places. Thank you. Yeah. It's over now, Dark XD. Just have to activate this on you, and it's over. Come on down. You gonna come down, buddy, or what's happening? Dude, get down here and fight. I just thought I had to activate it, guys. He's not coming down. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, just have to take care of something real quick. Anyways, I don't think Dark XD wanted to come down because he was too scared of me from the energy. Oh, but now he wants to fight me over this. Ain't gonna be yours, buddy. Oh shoot, maybe it's gonna. Oh, yeah, this is the end, Dark XD. You ran right into my trap. Where the heck did he just go? Oh, he blocked my super kick. Oh, I don't think so. He didn't block my fire drop kick. Oh, no, you don't. Dang, he's just blocking all my attacks. Take that. Oh my. Okay, now I only have one life left. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Alright, you want to play like that? We'll play like that. Oh man. Oh. Come on down. Oh. Oh my god, I missed! No! No, 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 no. You're not gonna win today. Oh, no, no, no. Do not touch. Oh my gosh, he has the smash ball. He's gonna win. Unless I dodge him. This is not good, guys. This is definitely not good. He missed! Yes, sir! Oh my gosh. He might actually be... Get out of here! Get out! Oh, yes! Let's go! That's how SD does it! What a battle, dude! Yes, sir! Let's go! Smasher SD has saved Christmas, bros. Oh, yeah, that's how SD does it. Alright, guys, well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed, definitely go ahead and smash that like button right now. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to turn on those notifications if you guys haven't already. And guys, I just want to say that this, I should have said this at the beginning of the video, but guys, yesterday, we hit, wait, hang on. Oh yeah, we hit 154 subscribers yesterday, bros, which is crazy, and I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos and everything. You guys are awesome. But anyways, guys, I won't be back next week, but I just found out that I work in the evenings at my job and stuff like that, so I guess I'll be back, maybe, next Thursday so I guess I'll be back, next Thursday, so, yeah, so I'll be back to record, next Thursday. I just said that 3 times. Or, if I don't have time, I'm going to be uploading some YouTube short videos. Because, guys, I have a welding short video coming. And I have a Lego video coming that I'm working on a Lego set just right now. A new Lego set video will be coming very soon. Maybe next week or something. But anyways, guys, I'll be back pretty soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays. SD Welding Film Universe out there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. That's how SD does it. SD out.